Dog and Mouse Company. Benny loves green beans. Fun green bean poem. Benny wakes up with a bounce in his toes, runs to the kitchen and wiggles his nose. Morning is here and I know what that means. Time for my favorite, big green beans. Mom fills his plate and he claps with delight, scoops up the beans and then takes a bite. Crunchy and tasty, so fresh and so bright, I could eat green beans from morning to night. At school, everyone runs around in the yard. Benny jumps higher and faster by far. "Wow," says his teacher. "You run like the breeze. Tell us your secret." "Oh, tell us now, please." Benny just grins as he leaps through the air, lands with a twirl and then spins with a flare. Green beans are magic. They help me stay strong. Try them yourself and you'll run all day long. Out on the playground, the slide is so tall, others get stuck, but he zooms past them all. Swinging so high that he touches the sky, faster than anyone, zooming right by. The mice and rats all agreed they would try. One little nibble and they zoomed right on by. Benny was right. These are tasty and fun. Green beans for all. Let's scurry and run. Thanks for listening to Benny the Rat's silly poem about his love for green beans. We hope you had fun and maybe even feel like trying some green beans yourself. See you next time for more silly stories and fun adventures.